dugsiyada Nuruddin Schools.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our lessons, English online lessons. Today we're going to talk about comparison of adjective. Comparison of adjective. This is very important. So what is comparison? You're going to have an idea. For example, tall, taller, and tallest. Bad, worse, and worst. So there are three comparisons of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. There are three types of degree of comparison in English: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Three. So positive degree, it's always constructed in the same way. When the two things or two people are equal rank. For example, you are as beautiful as your sister. You are as beautiful as your sister. So if you beautiful as your sister, it means that your sister and you have an equal rank of beauty, without considering the number of syllables of the adjective or adverbs. As, we're going to use as plus adjective or adverb or as. Mike, for example, Mike is as funny as Tom. We compare Mike and Tom, but Mike and Tom are same or similar. So this is an adjective. So Mike is as funny as Tom. She works as hard as you do. This is adverb. So hard is an adverb. As. If you have as and as, we are going to use positive degree. Positive degree. We need as and as. Not as plus adjective or adverb and as. For example, she is not as intelligent as you. She's not intelligent. She's not as intelligent as you. This is an adjective. What is the adjective? Intelligent is the adjective. So we have to as. Chris doesn't drive as carefully as I do. As carefully as I do. So carefully is an adverb. So there are three reasons. There are three comparisons of adjective: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So positive degree, we're gonna use. It's always constructed in the same way, because Chris doesn't drive as carefully as I do. So it's constructed as carefully. Comparative degree 2. We use comparative degree to compare two things or two people or two animals. For example, John is taller than Patrick. John is taller than Patrick. I am older than Ali. She is taller than me. Okay, US is bigger than China. China is more popular than India. Like that. So we compare two things, two countries, two animals, two people or two ideas. Okay. One syllable short adjectives. We're gonna use if there is one syllable, we're gonna use er and then. So number A, one syllable short adjective, we need er and then. If the word or if the adjective is one syllable. For example, comparative adjective er, and then. Wide, wide. It's one sound, one syllable. So we're gonna say wider, wider than. Big, bigger, bigger than. One and two syllable adjectives ending in consonant Y. What about it? One and two syllable adjectives ending in consonant in plus Y. For example, adjective IER and then. Dry, drier. Remember, drier than. Friendly, friendlier. Happy and happier. So this is an adjective, one or two syllable ending Y. One syllable, one and two syllable adjective ending in consonant Y. For example, this is superlative. What about superlative adjective? We use the superlative adjective to compare more than two things, idea, or people. We used to compare more than two things or more than two people that belong to the same group. Halimo is the tallest girl in the class. I am the oldest one in my school. Okay, Paul is the tallest of all. We compare Paul and all the others. So Paul is the tallest one. So we're going to use est and the article that. Anna is the most beautiful girl in the class or of the class. In the class or of the class. So beautiful has two or three syllables. Beautiful. Three. Beautiful or four. So we're going to use most and the article the. What about irregular comparatives and superlatives? Okay, comparative and superlative. Good. These are irregular. We don't use more or most and ER and EST, but they are different. For example, good, it can be well or better than the best. So good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest. Money or much, more, most. Little, less, least. So if you need or if you want to use comparative of good, we're going to use better. The superlative, we're going to use best. Bad, we're going to use worse. This is the comparative, this is the positive degree, and worse is a positive comparative degree, and worse is a superlative degree. Far is a far away. Erigafo is far place. It's a far town. So farther, we compare Bur'o and Erigafo. So Erigafo is farther than Bur'o. Okay, we compare two. And the furthest. Money, much, more. Much or money can be more, and the superlative gonna be most. Little, less, or least. Okay, let us do this exercise. This is a very simple lesson. So you're gonna cover. So worksheet. Fill the gaps with the right comparative form of adjective given. Not superlative, not positive, but only comparative. Our house is then big. Our house dash the yours. What about this one? Biggest or bigger? Biggest or bigger? What about? This is bigger. Bigger. Reason we have then. If you have then, you need to use comparative, not superlative or not positive. So our house is bigger than yours. Our house is bigger than yours. Okay. Yes. Bigger. Bigger. A rock is than a leaf. What about this one? A rock is than a leaf. Heavier, only ER or EST? No. Heavier, IER. Because this adjective in this Y. Heavier. A rock is heavier than a leaf. What about the prince? Prince is than the witch. Beautifuler. No, that's very wrong. Do not say beautifuler. We can use this one, but we're going to use more because we compare the prince and the witch. So we say more beautiful, more beautiful, more beautiful. Tom is, okay, gooder, no gooder. What about best? No best, because we compare Tom and Mary. Okay, Tom is a better student than Mary. We compare Tom and Mary. So Tom is better. It's not gooder. It's very wrong. Don't say gooder. Bicyclists are safer than motorbikes. Are safer motorbikes. We compare bicycles and motorbikes. So which one is safer? Which are safer? Bicycles are safer because we have the reason then. Helen, the girl, is dash happier. H-A-P-P-I-E-R. Helen is happier than Mary. Helen is happier than Mary. A lion is dangerous. Do we say dangerouser? No. What about most dangerous? No. We compare a lion and a cat. So we're going to use comparative degree. We say more dangerous, more dangerous, more dangerous, more dangerous, more dangerous, more dangerous, more dangerous. You can, everybody knows a lion is more dangerous. If you can't see the writing, a lion is more dangerous than a cat. A lion is more dangerous than a cat. My car is than yours. Fast. My car is faster. Faster. My car is faster than yours. We compare your car and my car. I think golf. My car is, no, sorry. My car is faster than yours. I think golf is than football. We have boring. It has two syllables. Pouring. So we need to use more boring. More more pouring, more pouring, more pouring, more pouring. I think golf, the play golf, is more boring than football. If you have an adjective that indicates an ing, we're going to use more or most in their comparative and the superlative. What about the blue car? The blue car as the black, as we have as in here as. So it's not comparative, it's same rank. Okay, so we say the blue car is as more as expensive, not more expensive, as expensive, sorry, yes, as expensive. So the answer could be as expensive. The blue car is as expensive as the black car. The blue car is as expensive as the black car. Okay. Cats are as, we have as intelligent. Cats are not as intelligent as dogs. Okay, Mr. Johnny talks as quietly as Mr. Smith. So the answer is Mr. Johnny talks as quietly as Mr. Smith. Okay. Another section. Fill the gaps with superlative form of adjectives. Okay. We need, can you remember superlatives? We need to use most and est. Most and est. Okay. The desert of all is Sahara, and it's in Africa. We say hottest. The hottest, double. We're going to use double. If the word is stress, of East Africa is stress. So the answer is the hottest desert of all is Sahara, and it's in Africa. Okay, do this one in your home. I say to you, thank you very much indeed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. So do more, inshallah.